Hi, this is episode 30 of Crondos. I'm your host, Jordan Hudgens. I'm a Ruby dev and the CTO of the DevCamp platform. You made it through the week, and today is Freelancer Friday, where I discuss topics related to being a successful freelancer. And today I'm going to discuss examples of freelance portfolios that you can use to attract clients. Before deciding on the types of projects you want to include in your portfolio, it's important to answer a few key questions. Who will I be showing this portfolio to? And what types of features do I love developing? The first question is pretty standard. You need to know your audience to ensure your work will have its greatest impact. For example, if you want to attract small mom and pop businesses, it wouldn't make any sense to fill your portfolio with 3D Unity zombie games, and that's just not going to work out too well for you. The second question speaks to your passions as a developer. Too many coders create a portfolio full of generic projects that they don't truly love, and it's apparent to potential employers and clients. Make sure the projects you build fit your personality as a developer and that you're happy with the end result. Portfolio projects are not an item meant to be simply crossed off your development checklist. They should be projects that you're personally proud of and enjoy building. The following examples of freelance portfolio projects entail a comprehensive feature set and should impress a wide variety of clients. However, they're simply a starting point, and they're not really hard and fast rules, but they're things that I've had success building. The first would be a social network utility. This is where you build a basic social network with a clean design and features such as having posts, followers, comments, and integrating at least one unique advanced feature such as giving users the ability to edit each post. When I'm looking to hire a new developer, I like to see that they know how to work comfortably with complex data models such as the ones required by a social networking application, and being able to work with advanced permission structures is very important. So this makes for a good portfolio project. Next would be an API tool. An example would be to develop a search engine for Stack Overflow that enables more advanced features than the main web application. A project like this would show that you can work with APIs and you can implement a search engine feature. Another option would be an accounting application. You don't have to rebuild QuickBooks. However, an accounting project can illustrate that you know how to work with financial calculations, callbacks, advanced database queries, and information security. Next on the list would be a scheduling application. I built several scheduling applications. This type of app will show that you know how to work with dates and times, which is no easy task for any dev, along with complex validations. Lastly, I strongly recommend that you build a front-end application. Creating an app using a front-end framework such as AngularJS or React and integrate it with a server-side backend such as Ruby on Rails. This will show that you know how to work with service-based architecture and design, which is a prerequisite for many clients. If you build these apps or apps that contain the same level of sophistication, you'll be able to showcase your expertise clearly to potential clients, colleagues, and future employees. These projects will also give you a great code library that you can reference for future projects. I've lost count of how many times I've reviewed past portfolio projects to see how I implemented a specific feature so I could use it on an app I was working on at the moment. I hope this list has inspired you to build out your own portfolio projects, and feel free to message me when you finish your set of projects. I'd love to see them and possibly showcase them in future episodes.